Here on the shores of the beautiful Gulf of America, under endless blue skies, you'll find the world-famous destination of Naples, Marco Island, and the Everglades. Known as Florida's Paradise Coast, it could just as easily be called Florida's Family Coast, because it offers the perfect blend of, well, everything, for people of all ages. It all starts with 30 miles of soft, white sand beaches kissed by gentle Gulf waters, the ideal spot for playing, splashing, discovering, or simply relaxing. They're part of an unspoiled natural playground where unforgettable adventures await. Whether you're taking an eco-tour to spot dolphins, exploring the Everglades by kayak or airboat, or chasing Florida's famous game fish, this is a place where everything you experience now leads to a story you'll tell forever. But adventure and relaxation are just the beginning of what Florida's Paradise Coast has to offer. After all, this is one destination where you never have to settle for anything less than the best. The most delicious dining, the most inspiring arts and culture, and the most stunning sunsets, all of which ensure the most memorable moments you could ever wish for. So when it's time to treat you and yours to a vacation that delivers Florida's finest everything, only paradise will do. Naples, Marco Island, and the Everglades, Florida's Paradise Coast.